Welcome, and thank you for joining today's positive affirmation session. Affirmations are incredibly powerful. They can motivate you to do certain things, help you focus and concentrate on the goals in your life. They give you the power to change any negative thoughts, and of course replace them with something positive. We are what we think, so why not think really good thoughts? Get comfortable, close your eyes, and listen to my voice. The subconscious mind will do all the work. If you want to repeat the affirmations, you can, but you don't have to. The mind is listening. So let's get started. I am wonderful. I am fabulous. I am superior. I am superb. I am super. I am brilliant. I am awesome. I am excellent. I am tremendous. I am inspirational. I am lovely. I am loving. I am grand. I am exceptional. I am terrific. I am exciting. I am delightful. I am dazzling. I am impressive. I am special. I am nice. I am incredible. I am outstanding. I am magnificent. I am marvelous. I am breathtaking. I am astonishing. I am remarkable. I am considerate. I am courteous. I am gracious. I am friendly. I am gentle. I am admirable. I am profitable. I am abundant. I am attractive. I am distinctive. I am invaluable. I am desirable. I am desired. I am priceless. I am valuable. I am worthy. I am supreme. I am trustworthy. I am faithful. I am moral. I am honest. I am caring. I am praiseworthy. I am focused. I am wholesome. I am an amazing person. I am smart. I am a good listener. I am a good friend. I am perfect the way I am.